Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2018 Santa Fe SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio, AM/FM HD/CD MP3 display audio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.